Good morning, my dear students. So today's first topic is mirror formula and magnification. Okay, so remember one thing, this formula, mirror formula and magnification are very much useful in solving the numericals from this first chapter. And I assure you that there will be a numerical in the board exam from this chapter, and that too from mirror formula or from lens formula. Definitely there will be a question. Okay, so take it seriously. Fine. So what is mirror formula? First we need to see a mirror. Let's take a concave mirror. This is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay, fine. If you have not seen my previous videos, please go to my channel and you can see my previous videos. Okay, so this is pole, this is focus, and this is center of curvature. Now the distance between the center of curvature and the pole is radius of curvature. The distance from focus to pole is focal length. This I have already taught. Okay, this is denoted by capital R and this is denoted by small f. Okay, and the relation between focal length and radius of curvature is equals to 2 times of focal length, or focal length is equals to half of the radius of curvature. Okay, now for moving further, we come to mirror formula. This was the vital information you should remember. Now again drawing a concave mirror. Okay, now this is principal axis, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay, now there is an object. Okay, suppose there is an object. Now the distance between this object and the pole is denoted by u, small u. Remember this thing, this line can be a bit straight, no problem. Okay, now the distance between the object and the pole is u. Okay, now from this object there will be a image. Okay, image will be formed somewhere here. Okay, now the distance between the image and the pole is termed as v, small v. Okay, is denoted by small v. Fine. Now the distance between the focus and the pole is focal length. We know this thing. Okay, now what relation we get for mirror formula? The relation is 1 by f, means 1 by focal length, is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is known as mirror formula. 1 upon focal length is equals to 1 upon distance of image from the pole plus 1 upon distance of the object from the pole. Write this thing, u denotes distance of object from the pole. Okay, and v denotes distance of image from the pole. Remember this thing. Okay, in numericals we will see the distance from the mirror. It will be written as the distance from the mirror. So don't worry if it says pole or mirror, we will take it as v, u. Okay, the same thing. Okay, fine. Now when we come to magnification, magnification is denoted by small m. Okay, small m. What is magnification actually? Magnification tells about how much the object is magnified. Okay, sometimes you can see the size of the object image is increasing, okay, and sometimes you can see the size of image is decreasing, okay, upon magnification. Means सिर्फ बड़ा ही नहीं होगा, छोटा भी हो सकता है, okay, fine. So magnification, now formula for magnification, small f is equals to minus v upon u, minus v upon u. Also there is one more formula, h2 upon h1, where you know v and u, where h2 is height of image, h2 is height of image, second number is image, first number is object, height of object, okay. This formula is necessary to calculate the height, okay, or the magnification. From the height we can tell कि कितना magnify हुआ, कितना बड़ा हुआ, okay, fine. Now in the numericals you can also see the ray diagrams, कि last में बोलेगा draw the ray diagram for the above condition. So you should remember the ray diagrams also, which were in our previous class. So now one more topic before moving to numericals is sign conventions. We should also know about sign conventions. So remember one thing, this is like a Cartesian plane, okay. The mirror is kept in between of the Cartesian plane, means at origin, okay. The measurement taken on the left side of the mirror is taken as negative, and right side of the mirror is taken as positive. See here, this is for example concave mirror, okay, or convex mirror, okay. The measurements like object or distance images, okay, or object distance, ठीक है, that distance is taken as negative when they lie on left side, okay, and it is taken as positive when they lie on right side, okay, fine. Means अगर right में कुछ भी आया तो positive होगा, left में कुछ भी आया तो negative होगा, fine, okay. ये इस तरफ negative, this side will be positive, okay, fine. Either image distance or object distance, u or v, okay. You will understand it better when we solve numericals also. Now remember one more thing about the focal length, okay. Focal length of this concave mirror is negative. Focal, note this point, okay. Focal length of concave mirror, किसका, concave mirror, is negative, and focal length of convex mirror is positive. Remember this thing. Concave mirror के लिए focal length negative होगा. Why? Because इसका कर्वेचर तो इस तरफ बन रहा है, तो इसका फोकल लेंथ भी ऑब्वियसली लेफ्ट साइड होगा, लेफ्ट साइड है इसलिए नेगेटिव, और ये उस तरफ उसका कर्वेचर है राइट साइड, तो राइट साइड में उसका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर फोकस बनेगा तो उसका पॉजिटिव होगा क्योंकि राइट साइड से आ रहा है, ओके फाइन. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट दी न्यूमेरिकल्स, ओके. सो लेट्स मूव टू द न्यूमेरिकल नाउ, ओके, स्टार्टिंग विद द एनसीईआरटी ओनली. Example number 10.1. Okay, question is on your screen. A convex mirror. Okay, question says for convex mirror. So first we'll see what is convex mirror. Yeah, yes. और से कुछ confusion हमको पता होने चाहिए that its focal length is positive. Okay, fine. Now the question says a convex mirror used for rear view of an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. Has radius of curvature 3 meter. So Radius of curvature is given 3 meter. Now the focal length is derived from this radius of curvature. Yes, तो अगर focal length positive है तो radius of curvature भी positive होगा. Remember this thing, radius of curvature for this convex mirror is positive. Okay, now reading further. If a bus is located at 5 meters from this mirror, now there is a bus. Okay, this bus can be treated as object. Yes, so bus is object. Now the bus is 5 meters away from this mirror. That means value of u is given. Okay, object means u. Okay, u is how much? 5 meters. Now object always lie on the left side. Remember this thing. Okay, whatever the mirror may be, the object will lie on the left side. Okay, क्योंकि इस तरफ रहेंगे तभी तो उस पे इमेज बनेगा. Yes, now it is on the left side, so it will be negative. Okay, now further find the position, nature and size of the image. Position, nature, size of the image. Position of image means value of v, then size and nature we will see. V is to be calculated. Okay, so what is the formula for calculation of v when u and v is given? 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u, mere formula. Yes, but we require f for that, and f is not given but radius of curvature is given, and we know the formula for f is equals to r upon 2. Yes, r upon 2. So f is equals to 3 by 2 meter. I am not converting it into decimal because further it will be convenient to solve, okay, when we are keeping in fraction. So now using the mirror formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Yes, in mirror formula we have positive sign. Okay, now putting all the values, 1 by f is how much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, is equal to 1 by v we need to calculate plus 1 by u. Now u is minus 5. Okay, now when I will keep minus here, minus 5 plus minus becomes minus, and this plus will become minus because of minus 5. Okay, now taking this 2 to the numerator, it becomes 2 by 3, and taking this 5 to left side, minus 1 by 5 becomes plus 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by v. Okay, now we will take LCM. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, plus 3 1s are 3 is equals to 1 by v. Simple method. Okay, now 10 plus 3, 13 upon 15 is equals to 1 by v, but we need value of v, so v is equals to how much? इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 15 upon 3. On division we will get 1.15 meter. This is positive. That means image is formed on the right side or behind the mirror. We have already seen the cases of convex mirror that image is always formed on the right side or behind the mirror, and whenever the image is formed on the back side of the mirror, image is always virtual and erect. Okay, now question says position of image. Okay, so we have got the position of image. Next, nature. Nature of the image is virtual and erect. Okay, as we have discussed now. Now, size of the image. Size of the image is known by magnification denoted by small m, and the formula is minus v by u. Now, this value of V is how much? 1.15, minus sign will be there, 1.15 by value of U is minus 5. This minus minus cancelled. When we divide these two terms, we will get 0.23 plus 0.23 actually. Okay, this plus sign also tells that image is virtual and erect. अगर माइनस में आएगा तो real and inverted. Okay, fine. Now what we will say, the image is plus 0.23 times magnified of the object. Okay, this image is, or simply you can write image is plus 0.23 times magnified. Okay, that means magnify भी नहीं हुआ है, कम हुआ है. You can understand by 0.23. Okay, उसके आगे जाता तो थोड़ा means 1 से आगे जाता तो magnify हुआ है, that we can say. Okay, so this is the magnification. Okay, means the size of the image will be known from this. Okay, and nature, virtual and erect, position of the image is 1.15. Okay, fine. If you have any doubt, you can write on the comment box. Okay, so let's move to the next numerical. In example number 10.1, we have seen for convex mirror. Okay, now we will see one numerical for concave mirror. Okay, that we can see in example number 10.2. Okay, and in that we can also get the height of the image also, because height of the object is mentioned. So let's read the numerical. Okay, so it says an object 4 cm in size. The size of the object, I am taking it as h1. Okay, height of the object is taken as h1, height of the image is taken as h2. Is 4 cm. Okay, now is placed at 25 cm from concave mirror. The object is placed at 25 cm. Means object is placed, that means the distance of the object is given, that means u is given. Okay, so u is how much? 25 cm, and this is distance of object, so it will be taken as negative. Okay, now what the question says further, of focal length 15 cm. Focal length 15 cm. Yes, so f is given 15 cm. Now it will be positive or negative, so we will see the type of mirror. This mirror is concave mirror. Now for concave mirror, focal length is negative. Okay, now at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? We need to get a sharp image, so at what distance we need to keep the screen. Okay, now what is asked, that means screen कितने दूर पे रखना है, स्क्रीन क्यों रखना है, so that image is formed on the screen. Okay, स्क्रीन का काम क्या है, वहां पे इमेज बनाना. That means distance of the image is required. Okay, so distance of the image is required, that means V is required. Okay, now find the nature and size of the image. Nature and size of the image also is required. Okay, fine. So one by one we will proceed. Okay, so we know from mirror formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. F is directly given, we will keep the value minus 1 by 15. Okay, v is required and u is given minus 25. Okay, I am replacing this plus by minus because plus minus minus, so it becomes 25. Okay, now I am taking this minus 1 by 25 to left side, it becomes plus. Now minus 1 by 15. Okay, for this, and this becomes plus 1 by 25 is equals to 1 by v. Okay, now we will take the LCM. So 1 by v is equals to LCM of 15 and 25. LCM of 15 and 25. Okay, it will be how much? LCM of 15 and 25 is 75. Remember this thing. Okay, now we will take the LCM again. Now 15 5s are plus 3s are. Okay, fine. Now on subtracting these two numbers, minus 2 by 75, we want the value of V, so we will take reciprocal. Minus 75 by 2, 75 by 2, 37.5, minus 37.5 centimeter. Minus में आया, that means image is formed on the left side. Yes, in concave mirror, leaving only one case, all the cases the image is formed on the left side. So left side में form हुआ है minus 37.5. Okay, now the question says to find the size of the image also. Now height of the image is given. Okay, height of the object is given. Beg your pardon. Okay, so we know the formula of magnification. M is equals to minus V by U, and this is also equal to H2 by H1. Okay, H2 by H1. Now, so we will equate these two. It comes out to be V is minus 37.5. Now I am removing this M minus M is equals to. Okay, now minus minus becomes plus 37.5 by U. U is how much? Minus 25 is equals to H2 is required and H1 is given 4. Okay, now it is not visible. I am rubbing it and I am making it here. Okay, this side. So minus and this minus will get cancelled. Okay, now value of E is 37.5 by U. U is how much? Minus 25 is equals to H2. We need to calculate. Okay, and H1. H1 is how much? 4. Okay, now we are taking this 4 to left side into 4. Fine. Now when we solve 375 by 25, okay, 6 times 4, 6 times. Okay, so it comes out to be H2 is equals to minus 6 centimeter. Minus 6. This minus sign shows that image is real and inverted. Actually real, ये तो left side में बना है तो real हो गया, और minus sign है तो inverted, उल्टा बना है. Okay, fine. So we will write image is real and inverted. Fine. So we have done both type of questions. Okay, so we will keep class till here. Okay, thank you.